Yeah, Sylvia's got more. There it goes. We got overflowing buckets here. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey, good morning. Thanks for joining me today. We are out in the Mount Hood National Forest. I've got some new friends on a guided hunt. We're out hunting for matsutake. We're out hunting for white chanterelles, cauliflower, and who knows what else. So let's get out and have a good, safe hunt. Let's go.
Yeah.
Woo! Look what we just found. There's another one right over there. So what you want to do with these are big white chanterelles. So what you want to do is dig around the hole where all the duft is. Just peel back all the duft. And then you want to grab the whole cluster, get underneath it and kind of, well, that's okay. You want to grab the whole cluster at the underneath and sort of wiggle it and see if you can pull the whole thing out.
Ooh.
There you go. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
You got one for help.
Look at that. Those are big and chunky. Let's see, Choke, what do you got?
Amazing.
Look at that.
Gosh.
Those are beautiful.
Yep.
Those are perfect, guys.
Look at that. I found the first one.
So whenever I find
Oh, look, this guy.
a cluster like this,
Take this guy.
let's look around because more than likely there are going to be more all over the place here. So, okay, so when we're cleaning mushrooms, let's talk about that. So we're cleaning mushrooms. You can use the brush to brush it off a little bit, brush off the dirt, but the bottom you want to cut off with your knife.
Right now.
You can cut it. It just makes for easier cleanup
Oh,
when you're back at home.
that's why you have the food.
That's why we have the brush. Beautiful. Good job, guys. Look at
Yes,
that. Just keeps going.
I know.
It really does.
Oh, you gotta go deeper though.
I know. I know. I'm just trying to. There's a log.
Yeah, just be gentle as you can. Kelly, those are nice. You got some nice ones
Some of
there.
these, I don't know that you can get clean though. There's so many
Well,
little gills.
yeah, well, if you.
Look at that, it's like a whole vein.
Wow, that is awesome. Well done. Sylvia's got into a big cluster
Amazing
of
one.
white chanterelles. Yeah, I'm always amazed when I find when I find them. It's like I say it's like adult Easter egg hunting.
So you go dip.
Well, no, you don't have to dig. You don't have to dig very deep. Now just grab around the base there and just wiggle it, and the whole thing should come out. There you go. Perfect. There you go. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's a lot. Now you can use the brush. You can use the brush to brush it off a little bit before you put it in the bag. That way you keep it a little cleaner. And now after you get all those out of there, make sure you cover the hole back up.
That's amazing. Yeah.
That's very cool.
Very good. Well done.
My goal is to win the competition.
Like I'm not going to.
Look at you guys.
I just.
Yeah, don't worry about cleaning them too much. Just brush off what you can. You'll do the rest at home under the sink. Man, those are beautiful.
I think they have mold on them.
No, you're okay. You're okay. They meal dirt. We're out in the forest.
No, but I think it's mold.
Okay, Peyton just found some colossal matsutake, I think. So
Yes, he's winning the competition. Limit already.
get in there and just pry those guys out of there. Be careful. You're not going to harm them, but just get in there and see if you can.
You want a bigger knife? Yeah, probably.
Here, I have a knife. I just don't have my
Dude, those are still prime because they're still round. Yeah, so go straight, no, not too deep, or there you go. You put it in there and just prop it. There you go.
So
That looks
the
like
umbrella
a,
part will start to flatten. Is that
yes,
when they're not?
yes. So give that a smell. Give it a smell.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
You got a smell there? Dang. Nina, what do you think? Did you get it? Get in there, Peyton.
No, it was me actually.
Oh, you found it. Oh,
No, you didn't.
It was me. Really? Oh,
there you go.
Ethan, you need to share a little bit.
You could there you go. Pull it out of there.
You're too selfish.
That's a beauty.
Oh, yeah.
Dang, look at that one. You guys are awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You are welcome. Make sure that we cover up that hole in there as well, and don't forget your knife. So while we're here, let's look. While we're here, let's look around in this, about 50 foot radius on both sides of the road, because if we find one, there's a good chance we're going to find more popping up. All right, cut it flush with the ground, and then we're going to take a look at it. There you go. Okay, I turned it upside down. You see any holes? Look at how awesome this. See any holes in the top?
Yeah, they're little baby holes. So.
Let me see. No, those are not holes. So if there were actually holes, that means the bugs have gotten in there.
Oh,
But that one's perfect.
beautiful.
That one's perfect. That's it. That's in the. That's a bolete. That's in the porcini family.
Oh, and this one, the orange. Oh,
Yeah, that's the scaly chanterelle.
that's the one we don't like. It'll make you sick, right?
That one will make you sick. So
It's a sharp of
yeah,
heart.
we're not going to eat that one.
No, but
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
What is poison?
Yeah, it'll make you sick. Yeah.
The whole family. Dad and grandma.
Oh my goodness. Those are beauties. So I think the ones closest to me are probably good. Those guys look a little soggy.
So is it actually wet? Are they older?
They're starting to decay a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, so grab those.
Yeah, those guys would be good.
Nice.
Yeah, well done. So we're filling our bags again today. We're having a great time. Check this out. I just found a nice big white chanterelle. Look at that beauty right there. Another pretty one right there. Let's cover the hole up and look. There's more right here. More. That one looks a little gnarly. We're gonna get that too. Pretty awesome. Oh my goodness. Echo. You gotta see over the other side. Another big cluster over there.
Oh my God,
Look at
another
that.
big one. There's so many.
That looks beautiful right there. Nice. Those are perfect.
I know.
Well done. Peyton, what do you got up there? Something that you don't know what it is. Okay, I'm gonna look at this chunk of it. Here we go. Look at these. These are big and just knobby. Let's keep that.
Oh.
Even right in front of there, there's another beautiful one down there too. Kind of a bit of a maze to get out of here. Not good?
This no,
Okay.
it's rough. It's gray. But this one looks nice.
That was a nice one too,
Oh,
yeah.
I saw a good one over here. Someone looks like someone was digging around though.
Someone was probably picking matsutake there. Maybe. That's a nice one. Very nice.
Guys, where are you?
Hi, Nina, put that for you.
Oops. What do you got, Kelly?
I mean, they just like pink
Look at all the ones under the log.
I know.
Even to your right.
over here.
Dang, those are awesome.
Do they have full bags?
That's a look at that's beauty. That's a
Isn't that
beauty.
pretty?
Oh my God, look at
Easier to clean
Wow.
than the others.
Yeah. Look at those. Even those two in front of you. You got to find a way to start shoving them in the pockets of your bag on the side.
Okay.
Look at this one. This is a big mushroom. I don't know what it is though.
What do you got?
What's this guy?
Does it have a smell? It doesn't look like a matsutake. Looks like a rusula.
Look at these guys.
Oh my
And I
goodness.
just gotta unbury them.
Pretty. These seem to be a little younger
Are they better when they're
color
younger,
wise.
or
No,
are they
but see how
better-
much more white they are?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are great. They're still mostly covered. And Kelly, overload over there too.